So, hi dear Leo, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a no contact reading for all the Leo Sun Moon Venus rising from 27th of Feb, 27th of Jan till the 2nd of Feb. Okay, the roles can be reversed also. The action can be from your side also. Not resonating, not your story. Want to be a reader like me? Purchase my course. Link is in description. For personal readings and healing sessions, also links are given below. For the best healing modality of the whole universe, that's life changing, the Ho'oponopono Masterclass link is given below. Okay, let's start. Leo, the person that you're in no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now. We have the Page of Cups, the Eight of Pentacles, the Three of Swords. This person is feeling that they should at least apologize to you for whatever they did with you, whatever sadness, heartbroken kind of energies, whatever heartbreak that they caused between you and them is kind of haunting them now, and they feel like that they genuinely feel like they should come forward towards you and make it up to you in some way. Now I don't feel this person is feeling they should have a reconciliation and they should come back to you as a lover or something. I'm sorry, something is kind of making me feel kind of, yeah, I don't see this person have this energy of wanting to have a full on reconciliation or come back to you as a lover or something. But this person feels like they should at least make it up to you by a genuine apology, by a genuine closure or something like that. This is what they're feeling, because now they're going through the same kind of pain or same kind of trauma or something similar, and now they're realizing what they have done is kind of something irreparable. So they should at least apologize to you with all of their heart and soul and make it up to you somehow, like up to some extent. Okay, wow. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, honey? We have the Fool card, the King of Cups, and the Page of Pentacles. See, this person's intention is to reconnect with you, maybe as a friend, but with all of their heart and soul. So, for example, if they are coming back to you and connecting with you and telling you that they want to be just a friend to you, they are coming back to you with all of their heart and soul and genuine kind of intentions. Their intentions are very pure, very genuine, that they want to come forward towards you with the friendship kind of a deal, but with all of their heart and soul. This time they don't want to make any kind of mistakes. This time they don't have any plan or intention to hurt you or put you down or anything like that. Their intentions are quite pure here. Feelings also, I don't see any kind of revenge or any kind of hatred or any kind of negative energies in the situation. I don't think so. They genuinely wants to apologize. They genuinely wants to have a connection with you, maybe just a friendship kind of a deal, and they want to do it with all of their heart and soul. Okay, let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the 2nd of Feb. We have the Tower, the Five of Wands, and the Four of Pentacles. They will have this sudden urge, sudden desire to connect with you, but they are not going to do it. They are going to hold on to this energy of, this will create a lot of mess, this will create a lot of chaos, this will create a lot of conflict between me and Leo, so I should not do anything about it. Or for some of you, this person might feel that if they are going to reconnect with you, this is going to be a huge drama. This is going to be a huge ass drama and a lot of fight and a lot of conflict and a lot of chaos, so they should not do anything about it. So they are just holding on to this energy of reconnecting with you till the time they are going to feel that it's not going to create any kind of drama or chaos in their life and in yours too. So I don't see any kind of action from this person's side, because they're still holding on to this energy of, what if this is going to create more mess than clearing the mess. I don't think so it's happening. So for you, the guidance here is, just take a step back and evaluate the situation from a distance, like a third person, and understand what are the lessons and the blessings that you got out of this situation and out of your love and relationship area, all the situations that you have ever been into. And then apply those lessons and blessings in your life from this point onwards. Make sure not to repeat the same mistake or mistakes again, because the universe will keep you sending all these kind of energies back to back until you are going to learn your lesson and break the chain and break the cycle from your side. Yeah, important, right? So thank you so much for tuning in, Leo. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.